car. Catcher, 5 car. Catcher, 6 car. Catcher, 11 car. Catcher, 16 car. Catcher, 19 car.
Catch up to car number 19.
Catcher, 19 car.
Alright. Let's see how it goes.
About to go green, stay focused.
Flooring, green.
Flag.
We've got a car on the outside.
Still there.
Hold your line.
Stay low. There is a car on the high
Clear high.
side. Outside is clear.
Car low.
Inside.
Well done, Danny. Good start.
Still there at
Clear
bottom.
inside.
Clear.
We've got a car
Inside.
low.
We look at line break.
Stay high.
You're clear inside.
15 direct foot.
Car inside.
Yeah, there's
Stay
a
high.
giant
There's a
chunk
car
up.
on
I
the low
didn't want to wreck
side.
everybody in front of me.
Hold your line.
Keep high.
You're clear inside.
I don't think we got damage. I hope I didn't.
Go ahead, home.
P18.
Inside.
Inside. Still there. Inside.
Inside clear. On the outside.
Stay low. There is a
Clear
car
outside.
on the high side. Clear high.
Outside.
Car
Ready.
outside. Still there.
No problem, man.
You're clear
Clear
high.
up top.
Car low.
Inside. Still there. Inside.
Clear low. You've got a car
outside.
high. You're in the middle. 3 wide.
Hold your line.
Clear high.
Inside.
Clear
2
all
wide.
round.
Clear inside.
We've got a car on the inside.
Stay high.
Hold your line.
Still there. 51.157. Keep high.
Car low.
13, you gotta stop coming up so far ahead.
Still
Still
there.
there.
Hold your line.
Clear
Clear
low.
inside.
There's a car on your inside.
Still there. Inside.
Clear low.
Clear inside.
Car low.
Inside. Stay high.
Still there.
Still there.
Clear low.
Clear.
Inside.
Inside. 51.7.
position.
Clear inside.
Clear
You've just
inside.
done
You're in the
Car
top 10.
inside.
Car inside.
Clear
Clear
low.
inside.
Oh my god, before you're blinking that.
Mm-hmm.
Blinking and a jumping.
Carlo,
Inside.
Okay, Danny.
inside
Clear
clear.
inside.
We've got a car on the
Inside.
inside.
Why are you guys
Still there.
swerving?
Still there.
What is that
Keep high.
strategy you guys do?
Hold your line.
Keep high.
You're clear
Clear
inside.
inside.
You're popping wheelie.
We've got a car low.
Inside.
You're connected really bad.
Stay high. There's a car on the
3
low
wide
side.
up top.
You're up top, 3 wide. Still
He'll
hold.
carry his lead.
Hold your line.
Still hold. 51.924.
9.
The
That was
next car's the leader.
51.9. The
Still
car ahead
there.
has just done it. 51.5.
Still there.
Well, there we go.
Hold your line.
Still there. Still there.
Still hold. Right side. 2 wide.
Where you
Clear
at,
inside.
Eddie?
Car low.
Inside. You're up
3
top.
wide. We're on
Wide.
the outside.
Inside. 2
Clear
wide.
inside.
Clear.
Push me off.
I'll get up there, man. Man, boy.
There's a car on your
Okay, car.
inside.
Still there. Hold your
There goes
line.
another one. They reckon,
Clear low.
Clear inside.
Inside.
Safety
Yellow
car.
flag is
Forecourse
out.
yellow.
They want you
What?
in single file. Pit road is closed. Let the pace car by. Just keep hitting your marks.
I think
up in
that
one.
Borgenzi and Baldwin have spun off.
Yo, who's in the red truck behind me that literally just didn't break at all?
You get any damage, Humsey?
Oh,
Yeah, I ass-packed the guy in front of me. I didn't mean to, but he braked quicker than I did.
Shouldn't be too bad.
Letter 9.
Yeah, call it out.
You had the
Direct
position
damage,
when the
guys.
yellow
We're
flag
trying to break
came out. Pit road's open. Past the 12. Car past the
There you
10.
go, about
Car
11.
catch the 9. Car past the 16. Car.
oh my god, I got lucky there.
Letter 20. Car by.
I got so lucky there. Oh. I was just pressing on the brake light. It's too early to be
Catch
in
the
pace.
15. Car. Letter 13. Car by.
Come on, Zach, pass me. Are you going to
Baldwin
pit?
ahead is pitting.
Catch the 15. Car.
Sounds good. I hope I didn't get damage. Hey Brian, you got a mic?
Closed. Pit road is closed.
I do.
Can you check if I have a damage on the right side?
Letter 15. Car by.
It's not too bad. Just a little bit up.
Yeah, okay. I scraped the whole wall, so. Thank you though.
You're welcome.
I have damage. I might not be able to keep up now.
I'm behind you now, Stan.
Alright,
Yeah, I tell you.
I don't want to bore you guys, so I'll be right back.
Because it's about you buy good enough construction. It may not be perfect.
Catch
but
the
it's good
15.
enough.
Car.
Be right back before the green light. And we're back. About to go green.
Okay, Danny, be ready. We're going green.
Yes, sir. Excuse me.
About to go green. Stay focused. Pace car is off.
Green flag.
Clear low.
You're in fifth. The leader is running 16.84.
Car outside.
11.309. Stay low.
Hold your line.
Stay low.
You're clear
Clear
high.
high.
On the
Car
outside.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Hold your line.
Yeah, come
Still
on.
there.
Slow, but keep slow.
Hold your line.
Stay low.
Hold your line.
Still there. Hold your line.
Still there.
Stay low.
Oh, yeah,
Got a
18.
car high.
18, your point.
You're clear
Clear
outside.
Lead that high line.
6.9.
Car low.
Hey, car inside. You're in fourth position. Still there.
Still there.
Stay high.
Hold your line.
Stay high. There's a car on the low side.
Hold your line.
Still there at the bottom.
What happened, Sam?
Still there.
Come on in here, Sean. Come on in here.
Thanks, bud. I
Still
appreciate
there
it.
Hold your
inside.
Yeah,
line.
just dropping back.
Hold your line.
Stay high.
Clear, Shane.
Still there.
Car low.
Smart plane.
I'm gonna try to get
The next car's the leader.
Still there.
Still
Yeah,
there.
matter of time, they're gonna race me.
Me too. Your last lap time was
53.7.
53.7.
Nice and smooth. You're running
Hold
clear.
your line.
Meantime,
Still there at the bottom.
Hold your line. Still there.
Still there inside.
Hold your line.
and they close there.
Hold your line.
Still there inside.
Still there.
Still there inside.
Hold your line. Still there.
Still there. Hold your line.
Still there.
53.716.
Hold your line.
Still there at the bottom.
Hold your line.
You're up top.
3 wide up top.
Right side. 2 wide. Still inside.
Car low.
Still inside.
Still there.
Still there. Hold your line.
Hold your line.
Still there.
Hold your line. Inside clear.
Inside.
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 You're clear
Clear.
inside.
53.404. You're back in second.
Car high.
Outside.
Clear high.
Clear up top.
Sorry, my spotter said I was clear. I apologize.
You've got a car low.
He'll lie to you.
Clear
Clear
low.
inside.
Yeah, apparently.
Fire his ass.
Got a car on the outside.
52.807. Keep low. The leader is running.
Still there.
52.805. Still there.
Oh my
Clear
god.
outside.
Outside if you want it.
This is so much pressure.
Inside.
Inside. Still there. Hold your line.
Hold your line.
Still inside.
Oh, you got hella push.
Dang, you
Hold
need to
your
come back
line.
and get your foot.
No, I'm good. I appreciate it, though.
Hold your line.
Sir.
Still there. Inside.
Yeah, that bit on the cost. Sure.
Hold your line.
Still there. Hold your line.
Hold your line.
53.346.
You're leading.
You're in first. Stay high with the car on the low side.
Still there. Still there.
Still inside.
Still there.
Still there. Hold your line.
Hold your line. You're in the middle. 3 wide. Clear high.
Inside. 2 wide. Still there. Hold your line.
Got a car on the
Keep
inside.
Taking up on eyes.
Still
Hold
there.
your line.
Hold your line.
Clear all
Clear.
round.
53.17.
Car high.
Outside. Still there. Hold your line.
Hold your line.
Go low.
Hold your
Still
line.
there.
Calm before the storm.
Still
I
there.
don't know what, I'm shaking.
Keep low.
Hold your line.
This is bad. Okay, okay.
You're clear outside.
Clear.
Look at my feet. I can't stop shaking. I don't know why. Why am I shaking?
52.724. Back in third. Keep hustling.
Oh my god. Okay, stop shaking. Hey.
That lap time was 52.8.
Only a massive run. No to rotate this.
You want me to come back and get you, Sean? I think I still got you.
Outside.
Car outside. Still there.
Hold your line.
Keep low.
Yeah, I got you.
Hold your line.
Keep low.
Clear high.
The next car's the leader.
Car high.
Outside.
3 wide. You're in the
3
middle.
wide. Clear.
Clear
2
outside.
wide.
You're in the middle.
3
Okay,
wide.
Danny. The next car is
53.189. Still hold.
You're clear outside.
Clear outside. 2 wide. Still there. Inside.
There's a car on your
Keep
inside.
high.
Still there.
at the bottom. The next car's the leader.
Still there.
Still
Lap cars,
inside.
please go high. Lap cars, please go high.
Hold your line.
Still there, hold your line.
Still there.
Why am I here?
Hold your line.
Still there at the bottom.
Still there. Hold your line.
Keep high. 52.4. That car
You're
is
in
a
the
lap
lead.
down. The leader just did a 52.
3 wide, you're up high.
7. You're up top, 3 wide. Still there, still there. You're
You're
back
in the middle.
second. You're in the middle, 3 wide. You're
Clear
up top,
outside.
3 wide. Still hold.
Car inside.
Still there, still there.
3 wide, you're in the
3
middle.
wide. Clear,
Clear
2
high.
wide. Still inside.
Car low.
Still there at the bottom.
Hold
Still
your
there
line.
inside.
Hold your line.
Stay high, there's a car on the low side.
Hold your line.
52.81.
Clear all round. Car
inside.
low.
Inside.
Pit window is open.
Still there.
Still there.
Still there at the bottom.
Still there.
Still there, hold your line.
Still there.
Keep high.
Hold your line.
Still there,
Hold
inside.
your line. Still there. Clear low.
Clear
Inside.
Car inside. Still there.
Still there.
Hall is
Still
now in
there,
the lead.
inside. You're up top,
Going
3
3
wide.
wide, you're on the
Inside,
outside.
2 wide. You're up top, 3 wide. 52.2.
Car inside.
Inside, 2 wide. Stay high, there's a car on the low side.
That's
You're back in
pushes,
second.
but
Hold your
you
line.
There, hold your
gotta
line.
be steady
The
with
next
it
car's
all
the
over the
leader.
place. Catch me out.
Still there.
Hold your line. Still
Stay
there.
high, there's a car on the low side.
Hold your line.
The crank's way to bump gas. Don't actually pump.
Still there at the bottom.
Hold your line. Still there.
You're up top,
Outside,
3 wide.
we're 3
Inside,
wide.
2 wide.
You're clear
Clear
inside.
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 Car inside. You're up top,
You're up
3
high,
wide.
3 wide.
Right side, 2 wide. Still there. You're up
3
top,
wide,
3
up
wide.
high.
53.1.
You've just done a 53.1.
Still hold.
Clear inside.
Right side, 2 wide.
got a car
I'm backing
low.
out. Backing
You're up
out.
top,
3 wide, you're on the outside.
Right
This is
side,
too
2
much,
wide.
guys. I cannot handle
Still
this.
there. You're up top, 3 wide.
Car
Inside,
low.
2 wide. Stay high.
Clear
Clear
inside.
inside.
We've got a car on the inside.
Still inside.
Hold your line.
Keep high.
Still there.
Stay high.
Hold your line.
Stay high. There's a car on the low side.
Clear inside. There's a car on your inside.
Still there. Hold your line.
Nope, nope.
Hold your
nope,
line.
Nope,
Still inside. 53.13.
The driver in front of us is Watkins.
Still there at the
39.
bottom.
Still there. Clear low.
Clear.
Alright, so I'm trying to hold
Inside.
you on. He's coming up. Not me.
Keep high.
Still there.
Stay high.
Oh,
Sorry, Dion.
shit.
Hold your line. Inside
Clear.
clear. We've got a car on the outside.
Still there.
Still there.
Keep low.
Hold your line.
Keep low.
Clear
Clear
high.
high.
Like, I want you to be up there, but at the same time, like, no.
low.
Inside. Stay high, there's a car on the low side.
You're clear
Clear.
inside.
The
Car low.
inside. Still there, hold your line.
Hold your line.
Still there at the bottom.
Hold your line.
Stay high, there's a car on the low side.
Clear low.
Clear inside.
Got a car on the inside. Clear low.
Clear inside.
You've got a car low.
52.285. Still there,
P5. Alright,
inside.
Danny, we're halfway through. Should be about 7 laps remaining on this tank.
Go
Clear
high,
inside,
clear
car low.
inside. You're back in fifth. Still inside.
Still there.
Still there at the bottom.
Hold your line.
Stay high, there's a car on the low side.
Still there.
Still there.
Hold your line.
Stay high, there's a
Hold
car
your
on
line.
the low side.
Still there.
The next car's
3
the
wide
leader.
up top.
You're up top, 3 wide. Coming up on halfway
Go in
here.
front is
You're up top,
Martin.
3 wide.
3 wide.
Still
You're up
there.
high.
I'm like 3 wide.
4,
P4.
6, 4. Right side, 2 wide. Still there
Inside.
at the bottom. You're back in 4th position. Still there at the bottom.
Hold your line.
Still there, hold your line.
Hold your line.
Still inside.
Hold your line. Still there.
Keep high.
Hold your line. You're clear
Clear.
inside. There's a car on your inside.
Still inside.
Hold your line.
Still there.
Hold your line.
52.9.
That last lap was at 53.0.
Stay high.
Paul is now leading.
Still there.
Still there at the bottom.
Hold your line.
You're up top.
You're up high, 3 wide.
Right side, 2 wide. Still there.
Big one is
inside.
brewing, boys.
Car inside.
Stay high. There's a car on the low side.
Still there.
Still there at the bottom.
Clear low.
Clear.
One apron. He saved it. Maybe.
Car
Car
high.
outside. Still there. Hold your line.
Oh no.
Good job.
Still there.
Oh,
Still
no.
there. You have about
Clear
5
high.
laps of fuel left. Clear outside.
I want to get on that apron. That's not
Outside.
fair.
Outside.
You're on the
bottom,
inside, 3 wide.
You've got about 4 laps of fuel left.
4,
You're
7.
now in the lead.
Still hold. We have a
Car
new leader.
outside.
Still there. Hold your line. Keep low.
Hold your line.
Stay low.
Hold your line.
Keep low.
Still there. Still there.
You're on the bottom.
3 wide. You're on the inside. You're clear
Clear all
outside.
round.
Car
Car
high.
outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high
You're clear
side.
high.
Clear up top.
Three laps of fuel remaining.
54.072.
Car
Car
high.
outside.
Anybody
Still
thinking
there.
about petting?
Still
I'm doing
there.
it
Still
35.
there. Hold your line.
10-4.
Clear outside. On the
Car
outside.
outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Still there.
Still there. Hold your line.
Hold your line.
Keep low.
3
on the
wide,
bottom,
you're down
3
low.
wide. Car outside, 2 wide. Stay low.
You've got a car high.
Keep low. When
Hold
you
your
will
line.
lap. Stay low.
Only 2 more laps of fuel.
54.052.
Still there.
Still there.
Hold your line.
Still there. Hold your
Hold your
line.
line. Hold your line.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Clear high.
Clear. You've got about 2 laps of fuel
Car outside.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Take it back, I'm sitting this
Hold your
time
line.
by.
Stay low.
Hold your line.
Still there. Hold your line. 54.589.
P3, you've only got enough fuel for this lap.
The leader
Still there.
consider 54.303. Keep low.
Still
the
there.
next car's the leader.
Box this lap, please, Danny.
Stay
Any
low.
overtakers?
Still there.
Pitting in, pitting in.
Hold your line.
Stay low.
Pit.
Pit,
Hold your line.
pit, pit again, pit again.
Hold your line.
Keep
I
low.
misjudged the pit lane.
You have about 1 lap
You're
of
3
fuel
wide,
left.
you're on the bottom.
3 wide.
You're clear outside.
is clear.
Anderson is now leading. The pit lane speed limit is 89 kilometers
Come
per
on down,
hour.
folks.
Pit
We'll
box
fuel
in
you to the end of the
5,
race.
3,
4,
2,
3, 2,
1.
1. Box
Right
now.
here. We can only repair some of the damage.
23 pitting.
Okay, go. We're done. Get going.
Car inside.
Well, I just
clear
secured my
inside.
second place.
31.851. The
Not
lead
sure
is
what
pitting
happened
now.
there.
That'll teach me not to practice my pit stops here.
I only getting 10 gallons and filling me up with 18.
Hey, 9,
Car
when you
low.
got fuel.
Clear
Clear
inside.
inside.
Mine on.
$59.098.
7 laps.
10
You've got a car on the outside.
You're on the bottom.
You're on the
3
inside,
wide.
you're 3 wide.
Still there. Still
Over
there.
you, Shane, when you need fuel.
Hold your line.
Hold your line. Outside.
good.
2 wide.
Car high. Clear high.
Clear outside if you want it.
That was not a good idea.
You got me, Brandon?
Car
Car
high.
outside.
3
You're on the
wide,
bottom.
you're down
3
low.
wide. Car outside. 2 wide. You're on the bottom.
Car
3
low.
wide. You're in the middle. 3 wide.
Clear inside.
2 wide. 53.026. Still there. You're
Why
in
did
the
it
top
move so
10.
much?
Stay low. Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
3 wide,
You're on the
you're on
bottom.
the
3
inside.
wide. Car outside. 2 wide. You're on the bottom. 3 wide.
We're 3 wide,
Still
you're on the
there.
inside.
Still there.
What's going on
Car
there?
outside. 2 wide.
We're 3
You're on the
wide,
bottom,
you're on the
3
inside.
wide. Still Still there, still there,
Hold your line.
Off the line,
still
boys.
there.
Still
Back
there.
down the race
Still
like
there.
the last lap.
Car outside, 2 wide. You're on the bottom, 3 wide.
4 wide.
You're 3 wide, you're on the bottom. Clear high.
Your lap time was
Clear all around.
Like, nigga,
Position.
are you guys going to give me any space or what's...
Car
Outside.
outside. Still there.
They can't.
Hold your line.
I guess
Still
not.
Hold your
Stay
line.
low. There is a car on the high side.
Still there.
Stay low.
Hold your line.
Keep low.
Still there. Hold your line.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Clear outside.
Clear. 53.842. You're back in third. Keep hustling. The leader is running 52.744.
Car low. You're clear inside.
inside.
On the
Car
outside.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Clear high.
Outside, clear.
Car high.
53.436 outside. You're back in second. Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Still there.
Stay low.
Clear high.
Clear outside if you want it.
Got a car high.
outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Hold your line.
Keep low.
Hold your line.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
You're clear outside.
is clear.
Got a car high.
outside.
You're clear outside.
Clear. .58.
The
car
leader,
in front
Strunk,
pitting.
is
The
pitting.
leader's pitting now.
I am the leader. What are you talking about?
Car
Car
high.
outside.
You would have told me you was fit, and I would have fit it with you.
Keep low.
Still there.
Stay low.
Still there.
Stay low.
Hold your line.
Still there.
Strunk is now in the lead.
You're clear
Clear
high.
outside.
You've got a car on the outside.
Still there.
Still there.
53.294. Keep low.
P4.
Hold your line.
Still there.
Clear high.
Outside. Clear.
Car high.
outside. Keep low.
Hold your line.
Still there.
Hold your
Stay
line.
low.
Turbo lax.
Hold your line.
Still there.
Hold your line.
Lap car, please go high. Please go high.
Still there.
I'm not a lap.
Still there.
Damn! Just like that. Well then.
Still there.
Oh,
10 to go. This time
I'm not-
by.
my bad, sorry. My bad, sorry.
52.766. Still there.
Hold your line.
We're dead.
appreciate it.
Hold your line.
Stay low.
Appreciate the thought, though. Here comes the big one, boys.
Still there.
The next
You're in the
car's
middle,
the
3
leader.
wide.
You're in the middle, 3 wide.
Clear low.
Car outside, 2 wide. Stay
Almost.
low,
Car high.
stay low.
22, I gotta catch up to you now.
When we say go high, go high.
Roger.
Damn.
Full course yellow.
Yellow
Safety
flag.
car.
Damn.
I want you
There you
to
go.
full fire. Pit road is closed.
What happened there?
It wasn't me though.
I was on the lead lap, you moron.
Go high.
I just want to say, you don't tell us where to go. It's not our responsibility to let you by. Figure it out.
Alright, don't be crying if you get killed.
At that point, if you don't move over, I'm just gonna punt you, dude. That's just stupid.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Pit road
Move
is now
means
open.
move.
Dime computer chair, but that's okay.
And we ask nicely. We ask nicely. Go high, please. You just want to be a dick? Go ahead.
I do agree with him. It's really not his obligation to go high. We need to get around him.
Not when I'm on the lead lap.
Yep, and we're going like 20 miles an hour faster than you. Mate, come on.
Well, I mean, it's up to you to get around him. No matter how fast you're going.
Oh no, I did. I went around. Just give him a little love tap.
But don't get mad when he pulls the U on you.
Yeah, don't matter.
I'll bet it would.
I
I love this guy. What?
Pit road is closed.
I'll let
Danny loves to get tapped.
Sound like it. We're drinking Bud Light.
iRacing handle it.
Uh-oh.
I bet he's sitting on a donut.
I got the fastest lap. 51.1. Wow. Oh, I don't want to bore you guys with this. So, be right back.
Blood taps, Danny.
Damn, he stirs the fire up and then he's talking about take it easy.
No, I don't like love tap no more.
The leader has control. Maintain the pace speed until the start zone, then go.
What's the plan, too?
Got a big plan.
I hear you.
The plan is,
Because he's got a nice lane.
Green.
Clear all round.
Pit road is now open. You're back in second. The leader just did a 17.905. 12.92.
P3.
sorry,
Carlo.
Inside.
there it is. That's a Carlo. I didn't have
Still
no
there.
Carlo, so I thought I was empty.
Hold your line.
Keep high.
That wasn't part of the plan.
Nope.
Hold your line.
Still there at the
My
bottom.
mother wasn't saying Carlo, so I figured that it was empty. There you go. There you go. Come
Still
on.
there.
Yeah. Let's
Clear
go.
On the
Car
outside.
Maybe the radio opened something important.
Keep low.
I'm a dead man.
Hey, I'm gonna put you to one, buddy.
Still there, hold your line.
I'm dead. That's where I go.
Hold your line.
Stay low, there is a car on the high side.
Golly, boy.
Still there.
Still there.
Don't wreck me, Danny. I'm trusting
Hold your
you.
line.
Okay,
Five to go.
I'm dead.
6.44.
Hold your line.
Stay low, there is a car on the high side. We're in a great spot for some hardware. You're back in second.
Still
the
there.
next car's the leader. Stay low, there is a car on the high side.
Hold your line.
Pull up high, love.
Hold your line.
Stay low, there is a car on the high side.
You're clear high.
Outside clear.
Outside.
Still there.
Still there.
I can't see where I'm going when I'm too
Remember the
close.
chance of winning this.
52.84.
That lap was
Damn it.
52.8. Safety
Caution,
cars
yellow
out.
flag.
Full course
They
yellow.
want you in single
Alright, slow down,
file.
guys. Slow down,
Pit
slow
road
down,
is
slow
closed.
down, slow
After
down. Take it easy.
25 car.
Woo!
Catch up 2 car.
Like, I want to be in the front, but there's like too much going on. It's hard to process.
Gotta make a plan, Danny.
My plan is to not kill you. That's my biggest fear, to kill you.
Mute his ass.
Like, I'm trying
Tip guy.
to help you, like, push, but at the same time, I don't want to, you know, make you lose control, so.
Anyways, where you at, Sam?
Pit road entrance.
Checking out. Checking out going in turn 3 and backstretch. Turn 3.
Pit road is now open.
Are we going overtime?
Middle of 3 and 4.
Yeah, we're going into overtime.
Was that on the plan?
Don't mind, I knew it was gonna happen.
Where's the place go?
Turn 4.
4. Danny, it's time. We need to go in for tires.
Yep. Fill it up with gas too.
I swear, I was going to fall for it. I'm like, wait, let me change time and feel. I was gonna fall for it though.
We've got a green-white checkered finish after this caution. Closed,
Ah.
pit road is closed. Car 9. Got the lucky
I
dog.
don't know,
Let
but
them
I wish
past
you
on the
could shut
outside.
up.
Letter 9. Carbide. You had
Copy
the
that.
position when the yellow flag came out.
Muting him. Come on now, why y'all hating on Danny?
Hey, I don't really usually do this, Nascar. I'm going to the Mazda road course. I just need a little break from the Mazda.
Yes, sir.
Where you from, Danny?
California, which I fucking hate.
No, where you really from? Not where's across the border. Yeah, he's high. His brain cells gone.
Nope, that's how I was born. So, please keep your comments to yourself.
Huh?
If you guys are making fun of the way I talk, keep your comments to yourself.
No. I'm making fun of you.
Oh no, I'm not talking about you. It's just be glad that I don't care that I can talk. So
I'm just glad we can understand you.
Where that pace car at?
Come out. Come out, 4.
Appreciate it.
That's a dog leg.
No, I wasn't making fun of you, Danny. I was asking where you're from.
for the other guy that told me that if I was high, I'm like, yeah, I know exactly where
One
this
to
is
go.
going.
Next time by.
Okay, Danny,
16.9.
get ready. Race will resume
Well,
at
I'm
the
just
end of
curious.
this
On the
lap.
You are.
outside this time.
I mean, a lot of people get high on here.
Nah. I'm 34 years old. I know every little shortcut that people tell me, so
10-4.
people tell me if I have something stuck up on my nose, like, you know, stuff like that, and I'm like, I know where this is going. Please keep your comments to yourself. So, I mean, I just reported to iRacing. I noticed that they get banned, so that's just saying.
If that's the worst joke you've heard, you ain't heard nothing. You both stay in California.
Amen.
Let's get this dub, Danny. Come on.
Coming high, coming high, coming high. Thank you.
Be ready, we're going green.
The leader has control. Maintain the pace speed until the start zone, then go.
Tightened at 17.
Green
Green
flag.
flag,
Clear
green flag.
outside.
Pit road is now open. The leader is running. 17.045. 13.935.
P3.
Car
Inside.
inside. Stay high.
Still there.
Stay high.
Inside
Clear
clear.
inside.
Inside.
Car inside. Still inside.
Clear
Clear
inside.
inside.
Got a car on the inside.
Come on, come on, come on,
Stay
come on.
high.
Let's go.
Still there.
Stay high. There's a car on the low side.
Hold your line.
Still there.
Hold your line.
Still there.
We're
You're
going
up
3
top,
wide.
3
You're on
wide.
the outside.
Still hold.
Oh, we're going
Inside,
3 wide,
2
shit.
wide.
There's a car on your
Still there.
inside.
Hold your line. Last lap. Still inside.
Still there.
56.7.
You're in the
Still
middle.
there. Inside. You're in the middle. 3 wide.
Clear inside.
Clear. 2 wide.
Clear all
Outside.
round.
Clear.
Car outside.
Still there. Hold your line.
You're on the inside, you're
bottom,
3 wide.
Still there. Still there. Outside.
You've got
2
a car
wide.
high.
Stay low.
You're clear
Clear
outside.
outside if you
Car
want to.
outside.
Car outside. Keep low.
Hold your line.
Stay low. There is a car
Damn
on
it.
the high side.
Hold your line.
Stay low.
Still there.
Keep low.
I can't get beat by Danny.
You're on the bottom,
Down
3
low,
wide.
3 wide.
Car outside, 2 wide. Stay low.
You're on
You're
the
the bottom,
inside,
3
3 wide.
Outside,
P5,
2
that's the
wide.
finish.
Clear
You're
high.
back in 5th.
What a race! What a
Checker
race!
flag, checker flag.
Sorry about that, 22. I think I pinched you down there.
Good job. Very good job.
Way to go, Holmesy. Nice race, guys.
Wow, what a race! Hey, you got P3, Jake. Great job, dude. Wow. If that wasn't racing, I don't know what that was. Wow. I don't think there was any crashes, but let's check it out.